I just bought this 1x30 belt sander by PowerTec to replace my old one, which I got at Harbor Freight and is completely garbage. Hopefully this one works a lot better. Let's open it up. Looks like it comes with a belt on it. That's kind of nice. And it also has a disc sander, which my other one does not. So here are all the parts that came in the box. I have the motor that comes with the belt sander and the disc grinder on it. I have the instructional manual. I have a tilting table for the disc sander. Looks like it has some measurements on it. And I have a tilting table for the belt sander. And a couple of knobs. This looks like it locks down this table. And a little tiny miter gauge for this. And these two pieces appear to be for dust collection. Step 1 of the assembly is to attach the dust chute using 3 screws. The second step is to install the sanding disc table, which is done by aligning these pins with these grooves and sliding it up and into place. Then take the knobs, place a washer on them, and screw them in. And I'll use a machinist square to make sure this table is square with the grinding disc. The next step is to install the sanding belt table, and to do that, I'll need to disassemble this knob. Then I'll slide the table over the belt, and I'll use the screw from the knob to hold the table in place. Once the screw is hand tightened, I'll reassemble the knob, starting with the lever in the down position. When the lever's down, the table will tilt freely, and when it's up, it's locked in position. Looks like I forgot the washer on this knob, so I'll have to attach it. I'll make sure that this table is square by removing the guard here and using a combination square. Okay. Now that the table is square, I can do some sanding. Overall, I'm really pleased with this belt sander. After having that terrible one, I honestly did not know that they could work this well, so that is a pleasant surprise. The table stayed at 90 degrees the whole time, which is extremely important when I'm sanding things like gears or anything that needs a perpendicular surface. I'll add a link to this product in the description in case you want to check it out yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to sand that like button and subscribe. Bye.